Dear students, I congratulate you for entering into adolescent age. It's very natural for you to have the questions like how do I succeed in life? When I was of your age, I was told that you are product of nature. जैसे पिता वैसा बेटा. It was assumed that success depends upon your hereditary. When I was growing up, I learned that no, it's not the nature, it's nurture also. It depends upon the society, in which society you live, and you progress accordingly in life. Now at this age of mine, I realized that no, there is another very important factor which helps you to decide whether you succeed or not, is the choices we make in our life. So now I realize that it is the nature, nurture and the choices we make in our life which decide how successful we become in our lives. Many times, most of us, we live unconsciously. The activities we do in full day, most of them are on automatic mode. My advice to you will be that you always remain conscious whatever we do. When we are having a cup of tea also, let us enjoy a cup of tea. Don't think about your girlfriend at that time. So conscious living is very critical in our making success. But I can give you a good news that there is hardly any competition in the world. Now you will be surprised that this person, how can he be saying? You have all heard that there is a big, very high competition, big competition, and this man is saying that there is hardly any competition. I am telling you from my experience. I am almost 70 years and I hardly face any competition. Because most of the people you go to, I can tell you a figure, 80% people in the world are not happy in their jobs. Now, the problem is that everybody says, I am getting 1 lakh rupees salary, तो मैं तो 1 लाख का ही काम करूँगा. I am getting 10,000 salary, मैं तो 10,000 का काम करूँगा. Then how the organization will make a profit out of your contribution? Your thought should be that this organization is giving me 20,000 rupees per month, this organization is giving 50,000 rupees per month. I must contribute much more than what I am getting. And if you make this type of commitment within you, you will realize you will never have a problem of getting a job or becoming an entrepreneur. So long as even as an entrepreneur, as you are a shopkeeper, you say, I am giving this pen for 20 rupees to this person. Is this pen worth more than 20 rupees? If yes, you will become a successful entrepreneur. Otherwise, no. So this is the meaning of good news. Now, take the life as a game of cricket. The difference is, there is no stumps. You can never be out so long as you don't want to be out. Treat every day, every opportunity as a new ball being thrown at you. It depends upon your skill, how you handle the ball. Every new opportunity should be taken as a new ball in the game of cricket. And this life continues like this. Now let me tell you importance of picking right friends also. You are coming into a college where all sorts of people from different backgrounds will be meeting you. There is a study in Kellogg School that by the time you reach my age, your total net worth will be average of 10 most important people with whom you are in touch with. Means the average of 10 closest friends you have, average of their net worth will be your net worth. So very critical to pick the right friends. Life should be lived in a disciplined way also. नदी का मज़ा तभी तक है जब वो दो किनारों में चलती है. Imagine a river with no river banks, floods. Sea का मज़ा तभी तक है when oceans touch their beach. Don't make a tsunami out of it. Kite तभी तक उड़ता है जब तक डोर के साथ डिसिप्लिन में रहता है. So life without discipline is a total chaos. So importance of friends as well as living a disciplined life. Now you may say कि सर ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेक्चर हो गया. Tell me in a very simple words, what do I do to become successful? I will say 3 words. Think rightly, speak purposefully, and act accordingly. When I say think rightly, you must ask yourself every activity you do, why are you doing such an activity? This why of life is very critical. Supposing you go to a bus driver and ask one driver, what is your job? He says, I am driving bus. You go to another driver and you ask him, what is your job? He will say, my job is to ferry passengers from place A to B comfortably and safely. Now ask yourself, which driver will do a better job? You go to a barber shop, ask him, what is your job? He says, my job is to cut the hair. You ask another knife, what is your job? He says, my job is to enhance the personality of the customer who are coming to my shop. Now imagine, who will do a better job? Obviously the second one. So whatever you are doing, if the why is very clear to you, हाँ बीबीए क्यों कर रहे हैं, बीसीए क्यों कर रहे हैं, बीकॉम क्यों कर रहे हैं? If you say to me, sir, I am doing BBA because my father has struggled in his life, he is still struggling in his life financially, I want to give financial stability to my family, then your BBA will be different than somebody says to you that I am doing BBA because सबने कहा BBA कर लो, मैं भी BBA कर रहा हूँ, नौकरी मिल जाएगी. Then your emphasis will be different. And hence my advice to you is think critically why you are doing what you are doing. Then once you have decided why you are doing what you are doing, the next is to speak the words thoughtfully. Think it over what you are saying. So I am telling you the importance of comm skills and English skill. Different thing. There are many people who don't know very good English, but they can speak effectively in whatever language they are talking. Hence the importance of comm skills and English comm skill. Industry nowadays mostly will prefer a English comm skill as compared to the other comm skills. And next is that you act purposefully. ऐसे नहीं है कि जो दिमाग में आया कर दिया. And make a habit of acting purposefully. जिम एक दिन जाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You can't say yesterday I went to gym, today my body is now very fit. टूथब्रश करने से एक दिन से कुछ नहीं होगा unless you make a habit. So doing the things purposefully and making it as a habit will give you success. Now you may say, sir, ये भी लंबा हो गया. आप तो मुझे 2 शब्दों में बताइए, what do I do to become successful? My advice to you will be, सही सोचो, सही बोलो, सही करो, 3 ही वर्ड्स याद रखने हैं। सही सोचना है, सही बोलना है और सही करना है। With these words, I welcome you to IITM Group of Institutions. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It is the first time that we are going virtually. Actually, we all wanted to welcome each one of you at the campus. But seeing to the pandemic, we are trying this new venture. You all are welcome. A college or a campus is never a campus without the students. Teachers, staff, furnitures, they don't make it. We miss the hustle and bustle of the students. College life is a big day for any student. I know you must be waiting for it, but I think we are at a juncture that we'll be able to see you people soon. Today, I would like to take you to a journey of the campus as well as some of the do's and the don'ts and things like this about the campus. Here, we'll try to make yourself valuable. What is important is that here, if a watch is sold at a price of 100 rupees and it goes up to 10 lakhs, what is the difference? किसी की घड़ी पहनने से वक्त नहीं बदलता, but still people prefer to wear the Rado watch because it has its value. And here we would like to add value in each one of you. This institution was established in the year 2009, and this is an ISO certified plus we are NAAC accredited. It works under Shri Ma Leela Education Society. We have the programs like BBA, BCA and BCom honors. Every organization and every institution has a vision. If I broadly tell you, our vision is a vision of nurturing excellence. Excellence, as has been said by Einstein, it's not a destination, but it is a journey. Yes, we would like you, your 3 respective years, we will like you people to excel in whatever you do. Whatever, whether you take into marketing or HR or finance or whatever the area that you want to, we would like you to leave a mark of your presence. The mission statement, we have the goal that we want to make this 3-year program as a terminal program. What actually I mean by terminal program, that you did not have to do your PG after this. You will get your placements after this. You will be industry ready. We would like to, through our, I'll tell you further even, that the pre-placement classes and lot many things, we will make you industry ready. We have worked on the 4 and 5 core values. What are these 4 values? We give a value-based education, most important for any student. For human being, it is a difference between the human resource and a human capital, that unless and until the value has been added in an individual. So we go for a value-based education, experiential learning through summer training, making students through various presentation, case studies. You are taught, you will be trained to become a good person and a good human being. Career orientation from the very beginning. We'll ask you people, once you'll be in the campus, we'll ask you to fill 3 forms. One, if you want to join your family business, you want to go for higher education, or you actually want to go for a job, and then the different kind of a guidance is given. Student advancement achievement. From the day one, the track of each and every student is kept, how the child is doing. What their things were in the first semester till the last semester. If some students are lacking behind, then advanced courses or the bridge courses are also designed for them. Last but not the least, it is the integrated technology. Today, a BBA student cannot say that I have to do anything with the computers. So whether it is analytics, whether it is a job today, if you will go in for job, it is marketing analytics. So whether it is the BBA student learning IT or IT student learning the tricks of the management, it is taught to each one of them. The key person here are the group chairman J.C. Sharma sir, our chairman Ravi Sharma sir, and the director general C.P. Chawla sir. This is broadly the flow of the organizational chart. So you will be acquainted more with the head of the departments and your program director, but the most important for you would be your class mentors. Next slide, ma'am. About the infrastructure, I know when you'll come, you'll experience it yourself, but yes, we have auditoriums, we have the classrooms and the photocopies, and Wi-Fi is there in the campus, but we restrict it. We do not want to give it all the time to the student, otherwise they'll be busy with that. The computer labs are well equipped, and we have 4 computer labs, and with all the latest facilities and the softwares that are required for these students. The library is well stocked. For you people, I would like to tell that once we'll start with your classes from Monday, and we'll be calling each class one day at a time, so that you can visit your college, see your classroom, you can visit the library, get your books issued. We give a book bank to each and every student. The CAD office is there in the basement. You will be meeting them very often. So your paperwork and lot many work has to be done. We'll try that you don't have to visit it often, but we pray that everything comes back to normal and you are back here with all your aspirations. The faculties are the torch bearers. Yes, you have good faculties, and those students who pass out, they'll always say it is the faculty that makes a difference. So don't worry, you are in the safe hands. The teaching pedagogy, that is most important. There are so many colleges of IP University, but I can proudly say I have the highest placement record, and because of the teaching pedagogy. Every year we have 1 gold medal with us. This year also in BCom we have got a gold medal. It is because of the teaching pedagogy. It is just not that it is a monologue that the teachers say and the student have to listen. The management education is something more than that. It is about online case studies, role play, team buildings, and the presentation is the basic. You have to give your presentation in each subject in every semester. So 30 times almost you'll get an opportunity to come and stand and speak on the podium, and that your fear of the public speaking will go. The other is the mentor-mentee. Yes, it is very important. Every class has been assigned with a mentor. Mentor is not only a role of being just a class teacher. Here, since you are an adult, actually you are 18 and you think yourself to be an adult, you look like an adult, but actually many a times certain emotional, certain other problems are there, and the children might not be very free to talk to parents, and it is the mentors come into role. So if you have any problem, if you have any things, the mentors will take care of you. The other is pre-placement, the most important. As I said, our goal is to make it as a terminal program, and therefore we pay a lot of emphasis on the pre-placement classes. It begins from the second year only. So aptitude test, mock interviews, and rigorously the students are placed. Last year, the IP University in charge, Professor Saini, he contacted us to ask what is the reason that every time when we have a mass recruitment and the pool campus is there, then every time your student outshine, it is because of the pre-placement classes that we conduct every year from the second year onwards only. The course-wise, we have very good placements. This is the record of the last year. This year, even during the pandemic, our students have been placed in Capgemini and in the good companies, in the Infosys and even in Wipro. The records till date, if you will see, Tech Mahindra, Genpact, TCS, RBS, and what not. These are the companies that you will find to be in the list of the premium institutions as well, and you will find all the students have been placed there. Proudly, I would say, our gold medalist in 2016, then we have last year 17, and this year also Shivangi we have in BCom. Extracurricular and co-curricular is very important. You are out of this school and must be waiting to fly. These clubs and committees gives you the opportunity. You might be listening to your seniors speaking to you about their clubs. Actually, whatever the club that actually, it is there in the website also, whatever interests you. We have the Kranti team who are the winner of our Anugunj for Nukkad Natak. We have dramatic cells, then we have the music society, and then for co-curricular, we have the societies like your debate society and whatnot. So these are the things where it is just not the study, just forget it, that you will be just confined to the classroom. These activities will make you, but we will like to do how we'll do it online, but hope and pray that things resume and you come back to campus. Co-curricular every year, last year it was destined for March, but due to lockdown we couldn't. But before that, every year we have Fiesta, and I'm proudly saying it is not conducted by teachers, but it is entirely done by second year and final year students. Each and everything is done by them, and we do it at Talkatona Stadium with every time a celebrity of the choice of the students. Then we have a sports day, annual days conducted. The students are sent to various Delhi University, IP University, College Fest, as well as the annual fest of our IP University, that is Anugunj. Personality development classes is an integral part of the teaching. I would like to say that apart from these things, there are so many other things that will be unfolding for you people time and again. So you can have a look that industrial trips are sent, excursion are sent. These are the certain activities are the integral part of our institution. These are the certain publications that we have, and our HOD IT will tell you about how you can join in with a Facebook page and our Instagram page, and the further information would be given through the website. So once again, a very warm welcome to each one of you, and I hope and pray that things become normal and you are here in the campus. Thank you very much.
परीक्षा पूरा प्याज पूरा मिर्च पूरा सब पूरा दाल चावल करी चावल आलू चावल आके भी पानी आ गया ना तो the best part of college life is none other than college canteen. क्या नहीं होता इस कैंटीन में? एक समोसे के पीछे कितने बच्चों की लड़ाई हुई है, और इन दीवारों ने कितनी बर्थडे पार्टीज देखी हैं। पेपर से एक दिन पहले कितने टॉपर्स हुए हैं शहीद अपने नोट्स की हिफाजत में। College canteen thus have been the special place in the heart of every college student.
So basically it was an initiative to not only improve the communicative skills of students, but to create an environment where one can express their thoughts freely without the fear of judgment. So when we talk of literature society in school or colleges, it's basically referred to as the society of intellectuals who excel in academics. But in view that anyone, irrespective of the fact whether they perform well in academics or not, they can join to express what they feel through any medium, be it debate, writing a poem, going for a quiz, or just speaking for a minute and speaking their heart out.
हम सब ना जाकिर खान, भुवन बम ऐसे सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहते हैं, but many people don't realize that they wouldn't have been successful if they didn't have soft skills.
Some memories can never be replaced. Hello everyone, my name is Zia Garg and I am a student of BBA final year. Welcoming you all in our college. Hope you all are excited as you step forward in your life, and that is college life. college life is one of the most memorable years of one's life. It exposes us with new experiences and things which we were not familiar earlier. It helps us to be more confident, to be more composed, and how to be socialized. College life is not like that. क्लास में बैठे रहो, डेस्क के चिपके रहो, टीचर्स को इम्प्रेस करो. No. College life is going outside the classroom and enjoy the outside environment. And here we are. We are in the garden area. This is the area which is full of greenery, full of freshness, full of flowers, full of enjoyment, etc. इन सब चीज़ों से मुझे एक चीज़ याद आ गई कि जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में थी, पहली बार जब मैंने बंक करके मैं इसी एरिया में आई थी जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सारी फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करी, बहुत इन्जॉयमेंट किया. बाद में मुझे भी डर लगा कि क्या करूँगी, अब बंक कर लिया मैंने, क्या कर लिया ये सब, लेकिन इट इज़ राइटली सेड.
माय नेम इज़ कुशाग्र और मैं क्रांति ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी का एक सीनियर मेंबर हूँ. यार मैं आप लोगों को बता नहीं सकता मेरे को कितनी खुशी हो रही है आप लोगों से बात करते हुए. चलो यार मैं आपको क्रांति के बारे में ना कुछ बताता हूँ. क्रांति एक बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है सभी एक्टिविटीज़ का, लाइक डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट, डायलॉग राइटिंग एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली एक्टिंग. मतलब कल को तुम्हें अगर शाहरुख खान या नवाज़ बनना है तो ये पहली सीढ़ी है. और क्रांति के दरवाजे ना हर उस आदमी के लिए खुले हैं जो टैलेंटेड है और कुछ नया सीखने की इच्छा रखता है. इससे आप पूछोगे हमें क्या फ़ायदा है, तो यार फ़ायदा तो बहुत है. लाइक आपकी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग ऐसी इंप्रूव होएगी, आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग से मेरा मतलब ये है कि 200-400 की पब्लिक आपके बात करने के तरीके में, आपके एक्शंस में दिन रात का फ़र्क आ जाएगा. यहाँ तक कि आपका सोचने का तरीका भी बदल जाएगा. तो क्रांति में प्रिसाइजली 2 स्ट्रीम्स हैं. एक तो स्टेज प्ले, दूसरा स्ट्रीट प्ले, जिसे हम नुक्कड़ नाटक भी कहते हैं. स्टेज प्ले वो होता है जो थिएटर्स में बड़े बड़े जगह पे स्टेज पे किया जाता है. नुक्कड़ नाटक में इट्स लाइक स्ट्रीट प्ले जो हम सड़क पे करते हैं, तेज़ तेज़ बोलना वगैरह. पर हम कॉलेज में हैं तो हम कॉम्पिटिशन्स के हिसाब से बड़ी बड़ी इनोवेटिव चीज़ें निकालते हैं. स्टेज प्ले में लास्ट ईयर हम IIT दिल्ली और IIT मुंबई के फाइनल्स में सेलेक्ट हुए थे, जिसमें हार्डली 5 से 6 टीम सेलेक्ट होती हैं आफ्टर बीटिंग 175 टीम्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया. हम वो सिलेक्ट हुए थे. और स्ट्रीट प्ले में हमने तो भाई हम रूल्स रेगुलेशन देखते नहीं, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचते हैं.
वेलकम फ्रेशर्स, सी यू सून.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं. हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं. तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले. आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ.
जना